In this video, we're going to discuss the best work from home business to start in 2023. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are looking to start your own business this year and you're contemplating what are the options that are out there for you, I am here to tell you that one of the best work from home businesses that you can actually start this year is going to be your own recruiting agency. And I know there might be individuals out there who have no recruiting experience at all. And I am here to tell you that that is completely okay. This is one of those unique businesses where you don't necessarily have to have a background in recruiting in order to be successful. The reason being is because there's a lot of skills that you can learn as you go and ultimately leverage those skills in order to be a successful recruiting agency business owner. Now, in particular, one of those skills is going to be sales. Now, while there is definitely an art to sales and being able to convey the value that you're able to bring, it is ultimately the number one thing that's going to help you to be successful within the recruiting agency industry. And there are so many opportunities out there for you to be able to learn your sales skills. Not only is there resources such as YouTube, but there's also books and plenty of podcasts that are out there to help you hone in on your skills. Ultimately, sales is one of many elements that goes into you being a successful recruiting agency business owner. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. Now, some of the benefits that are going to be associated with you starting your recruiting agency is the fact that you can literally do this from anywhere, meaning that you can work from home, or ultimately you can work from any remote location. The reason being is that you don't have to have a physical address or physical location in order to run a successful recruiting agency. Many of the aspects that you'll be doing within this business can be done completely from your computer, meaning that all you need is a laptop and an internet connection in order to get started. Now, of course, there's going to be things that you'll need associated with that laptop in order to get started, such as a LinkedIn account, making sure that you do have all of your business, making sure that you do have all of your ducks in a row in terms of actually having your business registered, and all of the various tools and software that you can leverage in terms of being able to drive success within your recruiting agency. However, at the root of all that, the basic thing that you need is a laptop. Now, on top of being able to do this business completely from a remote location, you do also have the opportunity to be very flexible about the hours, meaning that there's a lot of administrative and upfront work that's going to need to happen in order for you to get to a point where you can even have a contract to present to a client. So a lot of those things can happen at any given time within the day, meaning that if you're looking for decision makers, that's something that you can do in the morning if you're a morning person, or you can do it at night if you're a night owl. This gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of you being able to get to a point where you're operating your business at a time that is going to yield you the best results and ultimately work the best with your schedule. And another benefit that I want to share with you is just the profitability factor that's associated with starting a recruiting agency. There really is no limit to the amount of income that you can bring in. The more clients you have, the more requisitions you get, the more you are putting yourself in a position to be able to get multiple checks. This just means that you're continuing to increase your revenue and ultimately your net income. Well, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. As well as if you are not in my Facebook group, I highly encourage you to join. We're in there talking all things recruiting. I'll be sure to leave that link down below in the description box for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.